Full bathroom remodel, trenchless pool, new water service with no inflow, and laundry drain roof coming right up. First, let's start tearing down this old bathroom. Look at those old rotten drain pipes. Trenchless pool in progress. Pulling new drain pipe under the hose concrete foundation. Awesome. New water service. Poured new water line under driveway to avoid any more concrete being broken. New pressure regulator and low and flow in place. New laundry drain in place as well. Let's backfill and clean up a bit. All done. Life's better with a thumbs up.